everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so we are so late right now because Iman is already waiting for me and it's gonna take me 10 minutes to reach. I had to take a quick shower. I could just not leave without it. तो अभी मैंने कुछ भी बाल भी नहीं कुछ सही किए. They're all tangled and wet और शक्ल भी नहीं ठीक की. We're gonna rush to F10 because we're gonna shop there. So let's go. So we're finally here. I'm gonna head to Lama. Hopefully Iman's there waiting for me. Iman, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. Hi. You're vlogging. Yes. Guys, this shirt 4000 here. We are kind of disappointed right now. So Lama was a disappointment, to be honest. It felt like वहाँ पे overpriced night suits लटके हुए हैं in terms of clothes. कभी मैंने कपड़े नहीं लिए वहाँ से. जूते लिए हैं. जूतों की quality actually अच्छी होती है. Like the leather is really nice, but that too only on sale. अभी हम जा रहे हैं mini so because Iman को power bank लेना है. And then we're gonna go to Limelight. You don't need it. You don't need it. Yeah. F10 का Emporium Mall यहाँ हम आए हैं because हमें Limelight जाना है actually. Party भी है यहाँ पे लेकिन. And a lot of other places. She's here for the first time. पर मैं आई हूँ but मैंने कभी यहाँ से कुछ नहीं लिया. Limelight was a disappointment as well. जो हम ढूंढ रहे थे pants formal वो नहीं मिली हमें. We're still on the hunt for formal pants actually. और कहाँ से मिलेंगी अब? I have no idea. मुझे honestly लगा था कि Limelight से मिल जाएगी. But they're saying कि उनके Centaurus वाले में शायद हो. So let's go. And पता नहीं अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. We're just going around the mall. Let's check Lulu store now. So I think we give up on shopping. So हमने एक quick stop लिया salon में because Iman ने बनवानी थी eyebrows. Got her brows done. How different do you look? Very cool. And now we're going to F11 Al Fatah. मैं और Iman different गाड़ियों में आ गए हैं. Al Fatah. She's right there behind me. And look at the amount of yogurt she's getting.
What is your problem? I don't find this every.
Of course, we're gonna end our day with some coffee. So अब हम जा रहे हैं Locology.
We didn't do any shopping besides getting yogurt and
I got a hair dye brush and water. Did I get anything else? Oh, sausages. Yes, sausages. So we're getting iced lattes as usual. Big surprise. Whoa. Iman, what are your thoughts on women empowerment? We're having a podcast. I was telling somebody that
if I could go back in time and meet a historical figure, I would meet the person the woman actually who fought for the right for women to work.
I think you sent me that.
And I would drown them in a tube well. That's what I would do.
We don't want to work. We just want to go to cute cafes, put on cute dresses, and have coffee.
Yep.
And take pictures.
Yeah.
मैं बहुत weird लग रही हूँ पता नहीं क्यों सा.
आपके ऊपर लाइट बहुत जोर की है.
बहुत अजीब सी आ रही है. What?
पिछले 5 मिनट से ये मुंह में पकड़ा हुआ था और ये लाइक यहाँ से यहाँ.
How else is one supposed to drink water? क्या मतलब? Why are you shaming me? और कैसे पानी पीते हैं ऐसे?
लाइक गल्प करते हैं या जग करते हैं. You can like pass off as a princess.
पता है मैं
Are
पहले
you one
पानी
of those
कैसे?
who ऐसे चाय पीते हैं?
पता है मैं पहले कैसे पानी पीती
पहले पहले. क्यों?
I thought that's how you're supposed to drink out of a bottle. Like I don't know levels.
That's
I was
like
old.
when you were
I was old. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, मेरे बाल are trash.
Mine too.
झाड़ू लगाऊंगा.
I wanna dye. Yeah, I want to dye my hair again. I wanted to get new hair dye, and Rita said no. She's being a
Yeah,
mom to
because
me
she
today.
needs to like let this come out and be human because she needs to be human now. A normal, अच्छी, तमीज़दार घर की लड़की बनना है इसको.
मुझे वापस अपना cherry cola red चाहिए. Cherry cola red.
I'm gonna dye my hair today.
You're gonna dye your hair what?
Yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair today.
What color?
I don't know. I have random dyes. I'm just gonna use them.
I still have two green dyes.
It's not a colored dye. It's just like brown, light brown, ash brown, something. I will. Okay, so our coffees are here and they're really good, very strong, very Iman actually. They kind of taste like बहुत ज़्यादा. It's like an Americano, to be honest. You can barely taste the milk.
It's so good. It's so good.
Okay, so it's part 2 of my day where I'm going out again with him this time. So I'm getting 2 dates in a day. One was with Iman, just clarifying that.
आज मौसम भी इस्लामाबाद में थोड़ा अच्छा मज़े का हुआ है. So I decided to enjoy the breeze.
So we got quesadillas and he's just concerned कि ये क्या है, पराठा है, रोटी है किधर, because वो मिल भी नहीं रहा, छोटू सा.
So we had our food. थोड़ी सी important discussions करनी थी, वो की. And now
Headed to Nadra because 2 years after our marriage and we still have not updated Rohan's ID card पे इसका marital status. मेरा हो गया था and we also have not taken our family registration certificate from Nadra. So let's see, let's hope कि कुछ हो जाए and hopefully rush नहीं होगा.
so काफ़ी waiting के बाद नादरा पे finally हमारी बारी आई and thankfully we got our work done.
Everybody, assalamualaikum. It is a Wednesday और इस वक्त दोपहर के 2:30 हो रहे हैं and I'm going out to meet my friend for matcha. She's my friend, my colleague और काफ़ी दिनों से हमने बैठ के गपशप नहीं लगाई तो वो करेंगे. मैं तैयार हो गई, wearing my dress जो कि मैंने दिन भी पहना हुआ था. So yeah, I really like it. It's from Khadi और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा मिल गया था. I love it. Also like summer dresses are so convenient. मतलब आपको बस एक चीज़ की फ़िक्र करनी है. You don't have to worry about the 2-piece suits that you're going to wear and 2-piece तीनों चीज़ें. I find dresses very convenient to be honest. चलो फिर yeah, so let's go because अभी गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा है. गाड़ी में जाएंगे, गाड़ी भी थोड़ा टाइम लगाएगी एसी ठंडा करते हुए. तो let's go. So अल्लाह का शुक्र है थोड़े से बादल आए हुए हैं, so धूप ज़रा सी कम हुई हुई है and but गर्मी still उसी की तरह है, like उसी तरह जैसे हो रही है आजकल, but thankfully धूप थोड़ी चली गई है नीचे. That's good. So instead of going for matcha, we decided to have lunch क्योंकि lunch time था और उसने भी lunch नहीं किया हुआ था. My friend did not have her lunch, just came directly from work. और हमने pizza खाया. We went to Butler's. I had an iced mocha. और अब हम पता नहीं किधर जा रहे हैं. रोहान का थोड़ा सा काम है, so we're gonna go there. And then I think I'm gonna go to my parents' place because कल हमने पेशावर निकलना है. So I was like, okay, I'll spend some time with my dad and my cats, of course. So yeah. इतनी सख्त गर्मी हो रही है इस वक्त. Oh God, it is so hot. But yeah, still again मैंने एक दफ़ा पहले भी अपने vlog में बोला था अल्लाह का लाख लाख शुक्र है for all the facilities that we have. We have a car with AC, घर में पंखा, AC सब कुछ है. अल्लाह का लाख लाख शुक्र है. So we should always be grateful for these little things जो हमें usually realize नहीं होती, but हमें अल्लाह मियाँ को शुक्र करना चाहिए कि इस गर्मी में हम बाकी लोगों को जब देखते हैं ना तो we feel so blessed.
So then Rohan decided to try this new I ate burger place and it was pretty good and I'm gonna end the vlog here because I didn't really film आगे.